This is the car right now. It's idling. It's reached its temperature, and you can see here the coolant right there shows us mid-level. That's what it's supposed to be at. The car's working fine. The AC is on. Sit. Then the car is not leaking anywhere. Earlier it was leaking in here. The fan was completely wet, and now you can see the fan is both dry. And even the coolant is at the right level. You can see right here that the max line is right there. I filled it a little more than max, but that's okay. It's not too much or anything. So, but there's nothing leaking under. Yeah. So now the car is going to drive forward, so you can see that it's drivable. It was never not drivable, but it was leaking a lot, and now it's not leaking. So that issue is resolved, and I'm glad for that. So you can see there's no wet spots on the pavement anywhere, so it's driving perfectly fine. Yep. So the car is fully repaired. It's driving perfectly fine. Even driving wise, it feels no different than it did before. I drove it here, and I've been driving it. I've drove it about 200 miles since the radiator had the leakage, and it's been driving fine. Yeah. Thanks for watching.